you go and ask, where are you going? Someone who is in a taxi, bus, or train, or even in a plane, I'm sure you will get a very specific and definite answer with the destination wherever they're traveling. True? Or do you expect someone to tell you that I really enjoy this ride, so I'm here and I will get down wherever they will drop me and then I'll decide where to go further? Do you think this can happen anytime? Now, my second question to you is, where are you going in a journey called life? Do you have that much specific and definite answer to this question? And if you don't have the answer, and if you want to explore what can be the answer to this question, watch this video till the end, where I'm going to talk to you about exploring life's purpose. So if you have seen my last week message, I talked about professional growth, and the first point I shared that was finding your life purpose before even you design your professional growth. So today I'm going to share a complete journey, that is why, first of all, a life purpose, then what is the meaning of life purpose, and third, how to explore your life purpose. So watch this video till the end, where you will understand a complete journey. My name is Vittal and I am a lifestyle branding strategist. I have designed my life in such a way that I left 9 to 5 at my 40s. I live at beautiful societies at my dream destination. I get my meals from my own farms, and I earn from a business which runs globally. And I help professionals to do the same by mentoring them to design their lives so that they enjoy the growth of their choice while building their influence and branding globally. So today I'm going to talk about the life purpose and how much is it really important, right? So before even we get down to what is life purpose and how to do that, let us understand first why life purpose. And it's very important to understand the reason behind reason. So before even I talk about this, I would recommend you to read a book named Ikigai, which is actually a outcome of a research for the secret of longer and happier life of a Japanese people. So this is a book where the scientists did research and found out that people who stay at Okinawa Island in Japan, on an average, like 25 people out of 100,000 people population live over 100 years of age. And that is actually more than a global average. And that is so fantastic to understand what is the reason behind their longevity of life. So when they studied further, they understood that there are 5 important points which actually they took out as a research outcome, that these are the 5 points which they follow in their life, and that makes their life longer and happier and healthier. So what are those 5 points? The 5 points are, first and most important is basically their eating habit, their fitness and the exercise habit. Third is their social relationship. They actually believe in having broad friend circle and spending a lot of time socially. Fourth is they really believe in family relationships as well. And the fifth and most important point they found out is they pursue their career aligned with their life purpose. So they actually make efforts in understanding their life purpose, and they make sure that they pursue their career aligned with that. And that is what is actually most important point to live happier and healthier life. And if you really, generally if you ask me, what can be a life purpose for you and me, right? A life purpose is a better to say is living a longer, healthier life. It can be a best purpose of life, generally. Now, if that is the case, then we really need to explore that, is those 5 principles really help Japanese people to live a longer life? True. Because if you really define a luxury in life, a luxury in life is actually just not a lot of money in bank, good luxury cars, or even a big villas. It must be walking on your own feet, eating what you love, and traveling wherever you want till your last breath. And that is a true luxury of life. And if you want to pursue that luxury, I think you would agree with me that exploring your life purpose is the best way to do it. Because this is not just my strategy, but it is the outcome of research which scientists did and found out that why people are living a longer life on that Okinawa island. So now I'm sure that you agree with me that finding a life purpose and living and aligning our career with that is very, very important. So you will also agree with me that if you look at if you're planning for a traveling, you would definitely decide first destination, then you pack things which are required during the travel or after reaching the destination in your backpack, and third you will decide the mode of traveling, and then only you will start your journey. Then my question to you is it not important to decide same on a similar platform for your life as well? Even if you're in a job, look at your organization. They would actually have a annual goal or 5-yearly goal, and they make sure that their employees are driven towards their goals so that they meet their goals. And they would review your appraisals 6 monthly, annually, so that they make sure that you are driving towards that. Where are your purpose? Where are your goals of life? Are you reviewing them frequently? Do you know whether you are really traveling towards your life purpose? And isn't it that important? And that's where, when I really started studying and I started designing my life, I understood the importance of life purpose. Now, if you are with me here, now let us look at what is exactly a life purpose. So if you read a book, this Ikigai book, you will understand that there is a 4-point strategy which they have defined, and that is what they call as it will help you to explore your life purpose. The first thing they say that when you really design your career, if you can align it with what you really love doing most, you are really good at it, world also need what you really pursue as your career, and you can also get paid for it. So if you really are matching with these 4 points, and that is what you are really doing as your career, that means it is aligned with your purpose of your life. And that is what is a life purpose or Ikigai. Ikigai meaning a life purpose. And that's how they Japanese define Ikigai for their life. And now you have understood why and what is Ikigai, what is life purpose. Let us look at how. Now, when I really look at how, let us look at the nature, what nature is telling us. If I take an example of trees, apple tree, banana tree, coconut tree, or any tree, you would understand that they require particular specific soil, they require particular nature around them, and then only they actually grow in that particular soil and nature. That means they have certain attributes, they have certain nature around, and that is what actually helps them to grow. And with their purpose is to actually bear their individual fruits, but it depends on surroundings as well and their individual attributes. Now similarly, look at animals, wild animals, or the eagle who flies above the clouds, the fish who actually lives under the water. These are also an outcome of the nature around them, and of course their own individual basically features which makes them grow and live in that particular nature. Now let us come at a human being, you and me. Now you will agree with me that you and me are made up of certain behavioral patterns, certain thought processes. We think differently, we behave differently, and that is what actually makes us different than anybody else, right? And that is also an impactful reason in whatever we are pursuing, we pursue it differently because of those reasons as well. And that is one of the very important parameters to understand that if let us take an example that if you want to become a best employee of an organization, or if you want to become a good entrepreneur, or even if you want to become a good artist, musician or politician, still these people have different pattern of thinking, or different pattern of attributes, different pattern of attitude and behavior. So if you could really explore those skills, explore your behavior pattern and design your career in advance, that is where actually you could align your purpose of life and design your career which is aligned with what you really love doing most. So moving forward, I'm going to share with you a 5-point strategy which will help you to design and explore your life purpose. So the first most important point in exploring your life purpose is define your boundaries. Define your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual boundaries. That is very, very important, because every individual has a different limitations when it comes to physical ability, or emotional ability and the spiritual abilities. So define those boundaries. Second is do your SWOT analysis. Now, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. That is what you as an individual person need to understand, that what are my strengths, right? What are my weaknesses? What are the opportunities I as an individual personally can explore in my life? And what are the threats which I can really handle and still grow in my life? That is what is very important at a second level. So this is the second most important strategy. Now third is, as I told you earlier also, that we are actually of a different behavior and different thought processes. The way we grow up, it actually inculcates different beliefs and different value system in us. If I take an example that there can be an individual who really gives importance to security. It can be one of the value system of that person. On opposite, someone can really give importance to freedom. So the person who gives importance to freedom, he can actually he would actually love to live a free life rather than getting engaged into a job, and he would actually become an entrepreneur and live a life of freedom. But person who is a security mindset, he would like to have a secured income, a monthly paycheck, and he would definitely will have a challenge when he really want to become an entrepreneur and switch his mindset. So this is just an example I am giving you, but you really need to explore those values and the belief patterns based on which you can really find out that what is the best suitable life purpose you can really carry. So after understanding your values and belief pattern, you can actually explore the rules of the space wherever you are. This is another important point, because it is very important to understand that which country you are in, which place you are in, which geographical boundaries you are living in. Even if you look at a job, the organization where you are working in, you really need to respect the rules of the space. I would actually share an example that sometimes you as a professional, you might think that if you are in an engineering program, you think that I am good at project handling rather than engineering. Somebody who is in HR, who think that I am actually good at procurement than HR. But you really need to understand, look at the past, look at the culture of the organization, whether the organization really promotes the role change within the organization. Can you really change your career there? And if it is not possible, if the rules of the space are not allowing, then you really need to respect those rules and understand that you will not have a growth in that space, in that particular organization. And these are the rules of the space. So respect those rules and then look for a change that would be actually better for your growth. And then after going through these 4 points, the 5th point comes is when you really define that, okay, this is what actually I can do and this is what I really can pursue, then take the 4-point strategy of Ikigai. So Ikigai gives us a 4-point strategy. That is, first you need to understand what is that activity which you really love doing most? Second, are you good at it? Even if you are not good at it at that particular point, can you really learn? Are you open to learn and become a good at it? That's also very, very important. Third, do you think world also need it? If world is looking at it, that is what you need to stick for that. And the fourth and most important is, can you get paid for it? Because if you want to pursue something as a life purpose, you really need to run your life expenses. And can you really earn out of it? If answer is yes, then that is what can become your life purpose. So today you might be in a job doing something where you feel that I'm stuck, I'm really not happy. You might be in a business, your own business, where you feel that this is not something which I really want to pursue. I'm not really happy. You can really go through this 5-point strategy and find out that what is that outcome which comes out of these 5 points. These can become your life purpose. I hope this 5-point strategy helps you to explore your life purpose and live a life which is really longer, happier and healthier. So thank you so much for watching this video till this point, and I'm sure I'm looking forward to see you again on the next video on the next Sunday with a new message, a new strategy, a new insightful information. If you like this video, I'm sure you like this video, click that like button, share this video with maximum number of people so that my purpose to reach many people is also served. So I am also putting these efforts because I am looking forward for your subscription, your love and your comments, and you sharing this video will really help me reaching more and more people. Till then, if you would really like to join us at Last Stroke Club, I'll be happy to coach you on your journey to design your life, to explore your life purpose and really help you to live a longer and healthier and happier life. So looking forward to talk to you again on the next Sunday. Till then, as I always say, let us create a beautiful legacy of a great mankind with only religion as the humanity and a single nation with